Ready, start. Filing a complaint for consumer grievance is a legal remedy available to a consumer who has suffered loss, deficiency in service, unfair trade practice, defective goods, overcharging, misleading advertisements, or denial of lawful consumer rights. Consumer protection law provides a simple and effective mechanism for redressal so that buyers of goods and users of services may seek compensation, replacement, refund, or corrective directions against the service provider, seller, manufacturer, or trader. The process generally begins when the aggrieved consumer prepares a written complaint clearly stating the fact of purchase, the nature of defect or deficiency, the loss caused, and the relief claimed. One of the most important steps is preserving documentary evidence such as invoice, cash memos, warranty cards, communication records, product packaging, emails, screenshots, service request, and proof of payment. These documents form the foundation of the complaint and help establish the consumer relationship. Another essential step is serving a legal notice or written grievance to the opposite party before approaching the consumer commission, giving the seller or service provider an opportunity to rectify the defect or settle the dispute. If no satisfactory response is received, the consumer may file a formal complaint before the appropriate district, state, or national consumer disputes redressal commission depending on the pecuniary jurisdiction involved. Another important requirement is that the complaint must clearly mention the names and addresses of the parties, the date and details of the transaction, the cause of grievance, the compensation claimed, and the specific legal relief sought. The complaint may be filed physically or through the designated online portal where available. After scrutiny and admission, notice is issued to the opposite party for filing its written response. Another significant stage is the production of evidence, which may include affidavits, expert reports, technical inspection reports, service correspondence, and proof of financial loss. The Commission then hears both parties and examines whether there was negligence, deficiency, unfair practice, or violation of consumer rights. Interim directions may also be passed in urgent matters where immediate protection is required. The final order may include replacement of goods, refund of price compensation for harassment, removal of defects, discontinuance of unfair practices, or litigation cost. In practical proceedings, the success of a consumer grievance largely depends on proper records, timely filing, and clear proof of deficiency. A disciplined approach ensures filing a complaint for consumer grievance lies in proper documentation, jurisdictional compliance, evidence of loss, and effective legal presentation so that consumer rights may be protected through a speedy redressal process. Full stop. Over.